Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to see how to drop 24 volts down to 12 volts using a Zener diode. In this project, I'm using a 4742 Zener diode, which is a 12-volt Zener. The cathode of the Zener is connected to a 1.5 kiloohm resistor rated at 2 watts. This point becomes our positive output. The input ground and output ground are shared together. Zener output is approximately 12 volts, or VZ. The resistor limits current and protects the Zener. The basic formula for resistor selection is R equals Vn minus Vz divided by Iz. Power on resistor is P equals V times I. This is best for small loads, reference voltage, and regulation. In this section, we're using a simple and practical method to convert 24 volts down to 12 volts by creating a basic voltage divider. We do this by connecting two 1.5 kiloohm 2-watt resistors in series. The 24-volt input is applied across the two ends of the resistors, and we take our output from the middle connection point. Because the resistors have equal values, the same current flows through both of them. This causes the total 24 volts to split into two equal 12-volt sections, giving us a clean and simple 12-volt output. A voltage divider works only when the load current is very small, because the output voltage depends on the resistor ratio. Using 2-watt resistors helps prevent overheating while dropping voltage. And since both resistors are equal, the divider becomes very stable and gives a predictable output. But remember, this method is not suitable for powering heavy loads. If the output draws too much current, the voltage will drop, and the divider will no longer be accurate. In the third section, we use a 7812 linear voltage regulator to step down 24 volts to a stable 12 volts. The 7812 maintains regulation as long as the input stays above its dropout voltage, typically around 14 volts, ensuring a constant 12-volt output independent of load variations within its current limit. A 2200 microfarad electrolytic capacitor is placed at the output to improve filtering. This capacitor reduces output ripple, stabilizes the regulator during transient load changes, and compensates for any fluctuations on the input side by supplying instantaneous current when needed. The 7812 includes internal thermal shutdown, overcurrent protection, and short-circuit protection, making it a robust solution compared to passive methods like voltage dividers, which cannot maintain voltage under varying load conditions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.